she's pressing buttons.
Come on, let's go. Yeah, let's go for a ride. Yeah. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Here we go.
Trying to crawl in.
Yeah. Come on, you can do it. Hi.
She's really fascinated with you guys.
Yeah, where are we going? Yeah, I see you. Yeah, I see you. Where's your mama?
Where'd you go?
I see you too.
Is that Grandma?
I see you.
She's like, I see you too.
You guys go out for dinner. We'll keep her entertained.
Yeah, this is great. Call us if you have any problems.
If only you guys can change your diaper, that'd be amazing.
Yeah.
Just pen her in.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, I see you.
Hey, can you turn on her little music thing? Then will she play it?
Alex, where's your music box? Go show Grandpa your music box.
Which one?
The one that stands up?
Oh, our little piano?
Yeah, should be that one.
Yeah.
Can you play? Oh. Oh, good job.
That's it, huh?
Oh no, she plays. She likes it. She even dances to it.
Where'd you go?
Where'd you go?
Crouch.
Alex, where are you?
She's like, I'm dancing for you.
What are you doing?
Español,
Okay.
English.
Sing me a song? Yeah, sing me a song.
What is she playing with?
She keeps trying to, like, type on the keyboard of the computer. Did you go on for a close-up?
Oh, here she comes.
I see you got 4 teeth.
How many? How many teeth you got? Oh, really?
You guys miss the cats?
No, it's nice without them.
Yeah.
She says she misses the cats. Alex, do you miss the cats?
Alex, what's the kitty say? Meow. What's the kitty cat say?
No.
What's the doggy say? What's the doggy say?